Data is the new fertilizer and artificial intelligence is the new plow. If you want to lead the technological revolution in the primary sector, the University of Tusia in Rieti offers a unique path, the master's degree in science and technology for agriculture and mountain areas. The digital agriculture curriculum, taught entirely in English, transforms you to be a professional capable of integrating drones, satellites, advanced sensors to optimize global production. Here, you master geomatics, remote sensing, and precision livestock farming, translating environmental data flows into concrete solutions for sustainability. You'll be the key figure facing software houses, agri-tech startups, and food industries facing the digital transformation. As a STEM graduate, your career will be international, facing high-level precision farming consultancy to environmental management in global organizations and cutting-edge scientific research. Don't just study nature, learn how to program its future intelligently. Visit the University of Tusia website, check the student guide. We are waiting for you in Rieti.